Live your passion.
You can be anything you want. You can achieve it if you just believe. Take you to a place you can be yourself. Live your passion. Live your passion. Yeah.
Carpenters construct, erect, install and repair structures and fixtures made from wood and other materials. Meet Elizabeth Mandume, a qualified carpenter who specializes as a shipwright at the Walvis Bay harbour-based Namdock. This is her story.
Live your passion. Live your passion. Yeah.
Born and raised at Omalunda village near Otapi in the Omasati region, Elizabeth Mandume grew up a typical tomboy, opting to look after the cattle and playing soccer with the boys instead of pounding mahangu and performing other household chores. It didn't come as a surprise to family and friends when Elizabeth, who harbored dreams of becoming a teacher, instead decided to enroll for carpentry training after completing grade 12 at Oshakati Secondary.
My father used to do this bench chair at home. But I used to help. Whenever he needed a wood, a screw, I help. And when I finished my grade 12, I was thinking, what am I going to do? Then I heard, there is a woodwork. I said, oh, but I used to enjoy when I used to help my father. Let me try this course.
Elizabeth is a qualified carpenter, having acquired national vocational certificates from Valambola Vocational Training Centre at Ongwediva, as well as Namwater Training Centre outside Okahinja. She has been in the employment of Namdock since 2003.
That time I was only a female in our department. But the whole organization, I think we was only 4 or 5 women. Most of the people, there was men. Because the industry, it was only for men.
Her determination, technical acumen and problem-solving ability have served and continue to serve Elizabeth well. As the shipyard's trailblazing carpentry supervisor, she oversees an extensive range of marine craft construction tasks.
Okay, on shipwright, it's a carpentry work, but we are in the ship. We are dealing with the ceilings. We are installing ceilings. The same way you are installing ceiling at home is the same thing we are doing. We are doing petitioning. We are building up something. Let me say we need to build up a room inside the vessel. We can build up a room inside the vessel. We can make up beds, and then we can build up a room. We can make beds. We can make cupboards. We can put some holdings, and we can put all the internal things, all the finishing that is included in shipwright. If you can see around here, we are having even upholstering. We are having a lot of things which is going on. We are doing tiling, we are doing flooring, we are doing all the things. On the deck, they put wood. Why they put wood? Why? Because wood, they are not really, how can I say, they are not really so sharp to injure someone. Even if you are walking, there's something drop down, it won't break. Most of the vessel, they prefer on their deck to be having wood. There is a treatment which we have to apply to the wood so that the wood can last longer in the water. And that is the wood we are putting on the deck, because on the deck it's fine. I can fall down, but I'm not going to be injured. My things can fall, but they are not going to break. they are preferring the wood to be on there.
Elizabeth appreciates the value of customer satisfaction and always goes the extra mile in ensuring that her team delivers work of exceptional quality.
When you are working with the client, you have to, it's just the thing that you have to have that custom service. Whenever I approach the client, because I work for the client for a long time, I know already how am I going to approach this client.
Experience has also taught Elizabeth how to win over clients who seem uncomfortable when they learn that their carpentry jobs are going to be performed by women.
Most of our clients, where they are coming from, to their countries, there is no woman working in this industry. You understand? And in Namibia, when they come here, you say, wow, is the woman going to work? Are they going to do this? That's why you can find sometimes some of the clients, they prefer, when he comes, he's already saying, nah, for me, I want the woman to come and do this, or I want who to come and do this. The other client, he tell me that in Namibia, there is who to do my project.
Live your passion, live your passion, yeah.
Colleagues and team members alike value Elizabeth's contribution to Namdock's operations. They consider her a competent and dedicated employee who always leads by example and who goes the extra mile.
Elizabeth is my foreman, so she's the one who approached me through the company, because the company was needed of upholstery. So, and now before, as I say, I was working for another company where this company, ABH Namdock, they used to bring the things there where I was working before. So Elizabeth is my foreman, so I'm working with him for 5 years now, because I'm now 5 years here for ABH now. So as I am, he's my foreman, so there's always that thing that you must respect. So whatever she's saying, I must just obey, because she's my foreman.
Carpenters not only build and repair structures, they also may have to select and source appropriate materials depending on project needs. Other duties include calculating quotes, meeting with clients, and creating design plans for remodeling projects. As a skilled industry professional and team leader, Elizabeth also oversees the practical training of several young Namibians Namdock have taken in as apprentices as part of the NTA's Work Integrated Learning Program. These future artisans are learning the job on the job under the supervision of seasoned carpenters.
My name is Monica Katanga, NTA trainee, schooling at WVTC. I'm here at Namdock now. To be honest, most people believe that carpentry is not for female, but it's not like that. My dad said, when the scholarship came out, my dad said I should apply for this. And then I was like, no, Dad, this is not for female, it's just for male. And then he was like, no, it's not about being a female to do this. It's the money that you get. Most of us believe that if you are working here, you're not getting good money or enough money. You better work in an office, but it's not like that. Dirty hands, clean money.
Here you get nice money, not like the other. You understand? You can't compare, you are doing woodwork here, shipwright in Namdock, and you are going to compare yourself with maybe a person who work on the receptionist. No, the salary, they are different. You understand? And I encourage them to come and join us. This is a good industry, a nice one. That one, it can take you under the to be someone.
I'm feeling very nice, and I just hope that after my 3 years, Namdock takes me in, because I'm much into this company. I love the job I'm doing now.
You can be anything you want to be. Live your passion, yeah.
Away from the shipyard's demands, Elizabeth enjoys the free Zumba exercise sessions Namdock offers its employees, or immerses herself in her studies or a good book. Spending time with family tops the list.
Imagine for the whole week you are at work, and during the weekend, morning time you prepare doing washing and all those things for the house, and then after that you have to go out at least for refreshment to get refreshed minds together with the family, enjoying just a little bit.
Elizabeth is a lifelong learner with an advanced diploma in foundation phase education from South Africa's Northwest University under the belt. She is currently busy acquiring a level 5 civil and building services diploma from Otapi-based Nakayale VTC. Proud husband Joseph, whom she met during training and who is a qualified bricklayer himself, supports her unconditionally.
So to me, I feel very happy because whenever we are doing like maintenance in the house, so we are working together. He can put on the overalls, then we work together. When he's doing the ceilings, I will help her. When I'm doing brick work, he's coming and helping me. Understand? This is, I can call her, she's the woman of his word. Whatever he means it, he can do it. Yeah. You can even see on her hands, it's not this lady of putting nails or whatever. She lives natural. Yeah. That is the reason why I love her. It is a hard work. Every time I used to see the reports coming from the work, I also used to witness myself. I used to go there and see how she's doing. And there was a time she was also selected by the company to go to represent the company to South Africa, whereby there was some complication there. But she is the one who went there to solve that problem. So I feel so proud.
As for me, I find my mom very, how can I say, I would say also she's independent, hardworking, and she's everything. She's a person that you can talk to. For me, she's not my mom, she's my best friend. I'm more open up to her and so. It's fine. It's just fine. It's normal to me if she's wearing overalls.
Elizabeth Mandume, focused, motivated and driven. A true trailblazer for women wishing to enter the male-dominated carpentry industry. Her positive example and passion for what she does teach us that true success and true happiness lies in freedom and fulfillment, and that hard work beats talent any day of the week. She is living her passion as a carpenter.